Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with BigCommerce e-commerce platform My Dropshipping Store Build. BigCommerce e-commerce platform My Dropshipping Store Build offers a platform for creating and managing your own dropshipping online store. It's primarily aimed at entrepreneurs and small businesses looking to sell products online without managing inventory. Key features likely include store design customization, product listing management, order processing, and integrations with various dropshipping suppliers. Their website provides details on the various plans and features offered. BigCommerce emphasizes ease of use, scalability, and robust features for growing your business. They aim to offer a more comprehensive and professional solution compared to some simpler website builders. While specific pricing isn't mentioned here, their website likely offers transparent pricing details. The platform is based on a cloud-based SaaS model, providing accessibility and reliability. You can check their website for details on specific features and available integrations. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using BigCommerce e-commerce platform My Dropshipping Store Build. Setting up my initial store was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process guided me through the essential steps, from choosing a theme to connecting with my chosen dropshipping suppliers. Navigating the interface felt intuitive, and I quickly got the hang of adding products, customizing my store's design, and configuring shipping options. I appreciated the drag-and-drop functionality for designing the storefront, allowing me to easily arrange elements without any coding knowledge. I tested the platform with a handful of products and found the order processing smooth and efficient. I even placed a test order myself to experience the customer journey, and everything worked seamlessly. Performance-wise, the site loaded quickly and I didn't experience any downtime during my testing. I did have a quick question about integrating a specific payment gateway, and their support responded within a day via email with clear instructions. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to track key metrics like sales and traffic. The standout feature for me was definitely the seamless integration with various dropshipping suppliers, simplifying product management considerably. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve with some of the more advanced features, like setting up automated email marketing campaigns. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings, but the available documentation was helpful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with BigCommerce for dropshipping. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and provided a solid foundation for building and managing my online store. That's my overview of BigCommerce e-commerce platform My Dropshipping Store Build. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.